Hi Chem Peeps, we're going to do our third video on osmotic pressure. We're going to solve this problem. In our other videos I explain what the formula is. Pi represents the osmotic pressure times the Van Hoff factor times molarity times the gas law constant times temperature. So let's look at the problem and identify the pieces. So a common laxative contains magnesium citrate. Calculate the osmotic pressure, so we want to find the pi in the formula, of 235 milliliter solution containing 28.5 grams. So if we combine these properly, once we convert them, we'll get molarity. And then here, if we convert this to Kelvin, we'll have temperature. And so Van Hoff, if we look at this formula, we have 3 magnesiums and we have 2 polyatomic ions called citrate. 3 and 2 is 5. So the Van Hoff factor is going to be 5 here. Temperature, we have to add 273, so we get 310 K. And to do the molarity, we know that molarity is equal to the moles of the solute over the liters of solution. So the liter of solution, if I convert from milliliters to liters, is going to be 0.235 liters. Now to get moles, I need to take that 28.5 grams of the magnesium citrate, excuse me, and if I add up 3 magnesiums, 16 carbons, 10 hydrogens, and 14 oxygens, that's a pretty heavy compound, we're going to have 1 mole per every 450.9 grams. So that is going to give us 0.0632 moles. So if I take that amount of moles and put it into our molarity calculation, I'm going to get a molarity of 0.269 molar. So let's come over here and solve for the osmotic pressure. We do not know it. The Van Hoff is 5. The molarity is 0.269. Our constant for the gas law is 0.0821 atmosphere liters. Make sure you use the constant that matches the units in the formula. So this is the constant that we're going to use times the temperature, which is 310 K. The osmotic pressure comes out to be 34.2 atmospheres because all the other units divide out. So there is our final answer. Okay, so I hope this helps you with osmotic pressure. You can find more videos on TikTok and YouTube at Chem Chats. And leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you on our next video.